Alright, today we're going to take a little bike ride, and I'm starting off where we're camped at. It's Rincon Parkway, and super nice campsites, but today's a gloomy day. The sun's not cooperating with us. It's just playing peekaboo, so it's a little chilly out here, but we're going to take this trail to the end, which will be Rincon Beach County Park, and it's a little nice park over there. So you're on roads for a little bit, for about a mile or two, and then you catch the trail. So let's enjoy this bike ride. Alright, I couldn't miss this little video opportunity right here. It's a nice little lookout point. You got a couple people swimming in the ocean there. But it's a nice little area. You could walk down the trail there and enjoy that beach. Alright, we made it to Rincon Beach County Park. Super nice here. There's a few people here. I remember in the past being here, they had some hang gliders here. Not sure if they still do that or not. That was a couple years ago. But let's check out this little lookout point here. And it's actually a stairway that goes to the beach right there. That's pretty nice. You got a few people down there. Alright, let's get a little last view here. And we're going to head on out. Alright, this road is pretty bumpy here. Needs a little repair. But you got ample parking here. And if you can't find any parking on this side here, on the cross and entrance, there's another little lot that you can park at. And you can also hike down the beach. Alright, so let's head on back. Looks like the sun is shining a little bit. So enjoy the ride. Alright, check that off to the left there. It's a locomotive all by itself. That is pretty cool. I always loved trains. When I was a little kid, I used to have a little train set. But that is pretty cool. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're almost done with the ride today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super nice bike ride. If you're ever down in Ventura, bring your bike, find one of the parking spots here, and just ride this beautiful trail. Alright, that concludes our ride for today. It was about 12 miles, a little over 12 miles. It was 6 miles up. Here in Ventura, it starts at Rincon Parkway, it goes up to the park at the end. You ride along the coast here, beautiful sight, beautiful views. Super cloudy now. The sun was popping out, but it's playing a little peekaboo. But that's it. So if you like the video, please subscribe, please like. I really do appreciate it. Thank you.